welcome to Abby. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pastel tie-dye lounge set. Now, thanks to the lockdown, lounge sets are really fashionable this summer. So I made some for the shop and they're selling out really fast, so I thought I would make a video showing you how you could make your own. So the first thing you need to do is find a lounge set that you like in white cotton. Patience is required because I waited 3 weeks for this lounge set to come in the post. But I did find some. I found them on eBay and they are these long sleeved lounge sets and they've got like these little rips in them. When they arrived, I was really pleased with them because you just don't know what the quality is going to be like until you've got them in your hand. So they're really good quality, they're perfect for dyeing, so let's get down to dyeing them. So the things you need are one lounge set in white, tie-dye colours of your choice. You need some elastic bands, some gloves. I always forget to say gloves, but they're very important. Now it's up to you what colours you do, and I'll probably do a few different ones, but this video is going to be about the pastel set that I did, which was the first set that I made for the shop. And I used two colours. I used like a pastel purple, like a lilac colour, and a lovely stone grey kind of colour. So the first thing you need to do is dampen your tracksuit. So soak it in some water and then wring it out so that it's not soaking wet, it's not dripping, it's just damp. So I scrunch dyed this one again. I'm quite into scrunch dyeing at the moment. So scrunch tie the top and the bottom. The way you do that basically is you just scrunch it all up and then you secure it with elastic bands so the scrunched up pattern stays in one place. Now the way I dyed this and got the two-tone effect was I did lilac all over one side. I then turned them over and put them on a rack. That just stops the dye getting all muddy on the bottom. And I dyed the back a lighter lilac colour than the front so that would give like a two-tone effect to the lilac and just give it some depth. Then I randomly covered areas with the grey. I just really tried to cover in all the white bits, make sure there was no white bits, make sure every bit was covered in either lilac or grey. Then I left them overnight, rinsed them in some cold running water and put them in the washing machine. Now people often ask me, do I take the bands out before I rinse them or after I rinse them? The answer is I always leave the bands in till the very end. It just stops the colour bleeding and it means that the white areas that you've kept stay white and crisp rather than having the colours run into them. So that's the way I prefer to do it. So once they're rinsed, you can open them up. This is what mine looked like. And we had a lovely sunny day in the northeast of England, so I was able to dry them on the line. And this is what they look like when they're finished. So have a go at making your own lounge set. I would love for you to tag us on Instagram. My Instagram is abby_dashery. And of course, as I said, they are available to buy on my shop, but they are selling out fast, so you need to be quick. And you can find my shop at www.abbydashery.com. And if you sign up for the mailing list there, you'll get to find out about new products and special offers before anybody else. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!